Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very simple concept of how to clone an issue in Jira. So let's start. Now, how do you create multiple issues which almost has the same information in it? Every time going and creating a ticket and typing and entering all the data is redundant work for us. So instead, how do you create one issue type and create multiple duplicates of the same where you can edit little information in the duplicate ticket? That is cloning, and let's see how we do it in Jira. Now, say you are in your backlog section and you want to create multiple issues with almost the same information where you want to do minor tweaking and avoid redundant work. So open that issue which you want to duplicate or clone in a detail view. Click on the ID, and in the top right corner, there's a three dot button. You click on it, there's an option called clone. When you click it, there's a dialog box which opens up where there's already a clone of the description with a tag called clone appended to it. While you can also enter your own description for tweaking purpose. And if you want to maintain the hierarchy of the tickets with parent-child hierarchy and also the sprint value, there are two options available here. And when you click on clone, your duplicate or replica of this ticket is created with all the values which you've entered in this ticket. So this is a pretty straightforward video of how to create multiple duplicate tickets, which will help us reduce redundant work. And that was the agenda of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.